Hey guys, it's George from Gaggia UK. Now in today's video, we're going to show you how to set up your Cadorna Prestige coffee machine. But before we get into the setup, let's take a quick look around the machine. So let's start at the front. On one side, you have the water tank, and on the other side, you have the hot water spout and dreg drawer. Right in the middle, we have the adjustable brew head. Underneath that, you have the inbuilt espresso tray, and at the bottom of our coffee machine, you have the removable drip tray. Right at the top in the center, we have the TFT screen with all of the controls that you'll need. Now with your Cadorna Prestige, you also get a milk carafe. On the side of the machine, we have the service door, which reveals the removable brew group. And right at the top of the machine, you have the warming plate, where you'll be able to keep all of your mugs, and the bean hopper with the pre-ground coffee chute. Now that we've taken a look around the machine, let's get into the setup. So the first thing you want to do is peel off this sticker on the TFT screen. Next, you'll need to connect your Cadorna Prestige to power, and you can do so by plugging it in at the back of the coffee machine. It will then ask you to select which language you want your machine in. After that, you'll then need to fill up your water tank and put your coffee beans into the bean hopper. The coffee machine will then ask you to pop a container underneath the hot water spout and the brew head. This is because the machine's going to go into its priming cycle and water will come out of both. To activate the priming cycle, all you have to do is press the start button on the right corner of the TFT screen. You'll then be asked to test the water hardness level with the strip provided. Once you've done that test, you'll then be able to select on the coffee machine the water hardness level in your area. Then the machine is going to do its final rinse, and then it's set up and ready to use. If you'd like to find out more information about your Cadorna Prestige, or if you'd like to chat to one of our team members via Zoom, you can do so by heading to our website, gaggiadirect.com.